The next kind of pronoun that we are going to discuss is the pronoun of quantity. What is the pronoun of quantity? That shows you how much is the thing, that tells you about the amount of a thing or the number of a thing. Quantity in both the terms, if it is in terms of number or if it is in terms of amount. So both things will be under the category of pronouns of quantity. What are the words that we use? Many, much, little, few, enough, or we can use numbers. So that will be the pronoun of quantity. And the same words can also be used as the adjective of quantity. Depends on how we are using them in the sentence. Are we using them in the sentence as the pronoun, or we are using them in the sentence as the adjective? So here we are discussing about the pronouns of quantity. So these many words can be used and the numbers. I have few pencils or I have 4 pencils. So 4 is the particular number I am giving you. Few means it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. But when I am talking about exactly in terms of number, so both the things comes under the category of pronoun of quantity. For example, do you take any photos? Any is the pronoun of quantity. There is some sugar in the box. Sugar. Here, this any represents number and sugar represents amount. For the photos, we can say 1 photo, 2 photo, 3 photo. For the sugar, we cannot say 1 sugar, 2 sugar. We have to add some quantity, some unit with it to give it a number. 200 grams, 300 grams. So it is the amount. It is not the number. When we use just number, we call it number. When we use some unit of measurement with the number, then it is quantity. So this is the example for the number, and here this is the example for the quantity. Let's take one more example. He has many cars. I love him so much. This is number, whereas the other one is amount. So this is the way we use the pronouns of quantity. Now the next type of pronouns is the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns means the pronouns where we use the type of pronoun. Question words: what, why, how, when. So the next one is interrogative pronouns. What are the interrogative pronouns? These are used to ask questions such as what, why, which, where, when. So, for example, that what normally asks about things, whenever we are saying what, we are asking about the things. Who is used for the people, which is used to ask about the things or people when there is a small choice, and who's asked about the possession. For example, whose book is this means who is the owner of this, to whom this book belongs. So this is the way we use various interrogative words or the question words as the interrogative pronouns. For example, what is used for things, who is used for people, which is for things and people both when there is small choice. Then use which, who or whom is as object. What and which can be used as both subject and the object. This is the way we use various interrogative words or the question words as the interrogative pronouns. For example, what is your problem? What is your problem? This is here what is used as the interrogative pronoun. Who is that women? This is also used here as the interrogative pronoun. Now, after this, the last type of the pronoun that we have to discuss here is the relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is the pronoun which is used to show the relation between the things. As the name suggests, relative. What is relative? Where we are showing the relationship between two things, and any word that shows the relation can be used here for the relative pronoun. Like we have used who as the interrogative pronoun, but we can also use it as the relative pronoun. That, which, whom, all these words that we have used in various other types of pronouns earlier, they can be used as the relative pronouns also. Let's see how they can be used as the relative pronouns. So the last type is the relative pronouns. I'll show you or demonstrate you with the help of some examples. do, may, do, what you like. So what is the relative pronoun? It is showing the relationship between what one is doing and what one likes. So that is why this is the relative pronoun. Another example, students who are lazy fail the exam. Means those students who are lazy, they will be fail in the exam. So who is used here as the relative pronoun? Students. What kind of students? The one who are lazy. So this is showing here the relationship between the students and especially the students, those who are lazy. So here you can see both of these terms we have already used as the interrogative pronoun, but here we are using these as the relative pronoun. We can take another example. This is the book that I want. This is the book that I want. Here that we have used earlier that as the demonstrative pronoun, but here we are using that as a relative pronoun. That this particular book is the one which I want. So this is the book that I want. You can also use which here in place of that. This is all about 7 types of pronouns that are given here in this chapter and in your syllabus.